What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right now I have a problem. Watch this. Car's not starting. So it could be a few things. One, I know it's not the starter because I already changed the starter. So maybe the alternator or the battery. I'll put the window down and it comes down very slow. Hopefully it's not the alternator, because the alternator is hard to get to. Hopefully it's just the battery. But I have a product that I haven't reviewed because I didn't know how to review it unless I had a dead battery. So this is the perfect time to review that product. Okay, you guys, this is the Audew multi-function jump starter. So this is a jump starter plus it's a power bank. So you can actually charge up your phone or whatever you need to charge up, your tablet, with this Audew jump starter. So what we're going to do now is try to put this onto the battery. And yes, I had this since last year in Cyber Monday sale. Like I said, I didn't know how to review it because I didn't want to just kill the battery. So the battery died. I don't know why. Maybe I left the light on or something. I don't know. But hopefully it's not the alternator because my alternator is all the way down there in the dungeon. And it's going to take a long time to take that out. Let's go ahead and take this out. All right, so here's the case for it. This thing been charged since November, so hopefully I don't have to go back in the house to charge it back up. So here y'all go, so y'all can see it. This is a pretty nice case for it. This is a pretty big power bank, so if you just plan on taking this to work, I'm gonna let you know it's portable, but it's not small. Okay, y'all see how big it is. You have the power to power the jump starter or to power up the battery. You got the jumper cables. Okay, you guys, so you put the jumper cables to power up that. It goes right here on the side. Sorry, I'm using one hand while I'm showing y'all real quick. Alright, so this is like an EC5 connector. You will know about these connectors if you did like RC work with building remote control cars and stuff. So we're going to put this in. Alright, so it says 100%. And this has the protector to where if you put both of these together, it will not create a shock, but I still wouldn't try that. So, okay, it says 100% on it right there. Put in the negative. All right, so we got this on the positive and negative. I don't know exactly how this works. Let me see, power on. Do I gotta hold the power on? Okay, if you hold the power on, the flashlight come out, so we don't need that. So I'm assuming that this is already hooked up and juiced up. So we are going to test it out and see if it works. All right, we are in the car and we're going to test to see if that portable jump starter works. And I am praying, Lord, please let this be the battery. Don't let it be the alternator. It works. Ladies and gentlemen, it worked. I am so hyped right now. Yes, I do need to go get gas, so I will get that later, just in case y'all say something about my gas meter. But it works. I can't believe it. Let's get back out and check this out. Look, started up, went to 97%. I can't believe it. I am so excited right now. I bet you everybody in the neighborhood can hear me. Let me take this off. I'm gonna take this off. And this do not leave my sight at all. This stays in the car. I will do a final review on this so y'all can get the specs later. But here are the specs. And I am so excited right now, so I'm going to go drive it. Okay, you guys, so I'm here in the office and I just want to say this thing saved my life. All right. If you are single, or you know your husband is not around, your wife is not around, if you want to buy this for your wife so she don't have to ask nobody to jump her car, this is a good jump starter. Now the disadvantage with this jump starter is I bought this on Cyber Monday last year. I will post up a picture right there. I bought it for $59.99. Right now, as we speak, I'm looking at it right now. This thing is $90 on Walmart. Woo! That's a lot of money. So I'm gonna be honest. You can find cheaper ones on Amazon and Walmart too. But I usually do Amazon. It's just easier. Amazon is easier. So right here, if you hold the power button, I don't know if I showed y'all this while I was in the car, but if you hold the power button, you got a flashlight. You hold the power button again. Oh, sorry. You hold the power button, you got a flashlight. You press the power button, you got your strobe light, which you can use while, you know, if you down on the highway, you can point this in the back of your car and people will know that you're there. Press it again, you got the slow light. And then press it again, it's off. Power button, if you press the power button, it shows you what percent the unit is in. This is also a power bank. You have one USB here and you have a fast charger here. Then you have the USB-C input is right here. Okay. So, and then you have the jumper cables on this side. You have the power port on this side. And that's about it with this. The good thing is it comes in a case of its own. So you can put this in your car, put it in your glove compartment, put it in your back seats where, you know, they got those pockets where you can put magazines or whatever. So you can put this in your back seat or put it in the trunk of your car where your spare tire is, or just throw it in the trunk of your car. However you get organized. But this is a must-have. It saved my life because my car battery died for some reason, but my car was parked forward, and my only other vehicle I have is my truck, and my truck is parked forward in the garage. So there was no way for me to start my car unless I had this. I do have jumper cables, but the jumper cables are not long enough for me to start my car the way the position of my car is. But luckily I had this unit. This unit does come with all the accessories that I showed y'all in the car, so I'm not going to go over all that. I just want to go over the key notes with this thing. So this is a 200 amp peak, 20,000 milliamp power bank. Okay, keep that in mind. This is a power bank. You can charge your phone, you can charge your tablet, and anything else you can charge with this thing. Let's get into the specs. This is what I really want to show y'all. So right here it says, and I'm pretty sure y'all can't see it. Okay, there you go. So it says it jump starts 40 times. So even if you got even a ride-on lawnmower that you need to jump start, a tractor, a RV, keep those things in mind. It says any gas engine up to 8.5 liter diesel engine. So this thing right here is a beast. I advise y'all to get yourself, maybe not this one because it's a little pricey on this one, but go on Amazon. This is a must-have, just in case your battery dies. And I'm glad I had a chance to do this review. So, like the video. If you like it, comment and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to see more cool products like this on the channel. Catch y'all on the next one.